And here we are at the Death Hill Olympics. Death Hill. I've seen someone go straight through the bushes there, 8 meters down into the river. Well, I had a bit of a slider down there myself in the past, but Death Hill. There's also, on that rock just over there, there's 2 air filters out of some CRF 300Ls. So 2 have been drowned in this river. I wonder who they belong to. Right, here we go. Death Hill, Death Hill, Death Hill. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, sorry, I'm not pointing the camera. I'm watching the rider. That's more important than footage. Right, just roll back slightly and bump. You have to sit on it. You have to sit on it. I'm not watching the viewfinder, so if this video's crap, sorry, but I'm more concerned with safety. Nooms, sai. No mai. Yeah. Oi. Woohoo! Whoa! Got it. Oi. There you go. Notice mine's already up. This here is a shortcut. You don't go very slow on it. Turbo speed. You're gonna go there, yeah? Right, yeah. Maybe I'll come down and cut that Nomai out one day.
Don't help me, just
No.
number not to be done.
Yeah. If you go to 4, I'll save the bike, not you. Most of our woes are caused by these little stumps here, look, see 'em? And that F-off tree stump there. And having to jump over that bad boy just there, but there you go. What's the old bastard got up here? While we're waiting, right down there is where someone else went. Oh, here we go. Action on. I'm having my head scraped here by all this poxy bamboo. Right, let's have a pause. We're back in the game. Quick, over. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna get the mud bath. Woo. And that's how you do it. Winner, chickens for dinner.